Want more control over how your home network works for everyone in your household? With eero Plus, you can create a safer, more personalized online experience for every device and every user in your home. It all starts with profiles. Profiles allow you to organize devices by person, making it easier to manage access and customize settings for each member of your household. To get started, open your eero app and head to the Home tab. In the Profile section, tap Add a Profile. Enter a name, then select the devices you want to assign. Now your profile is ready. Once everything is selected, tap Done. From here, you can take control even further with content filters. Content filters let you set age-appropriate boundaries by blocking categories of content, helping create a safer online environment for your family. You can apply filters to each profile, giving every user a browsing experience that fits their needs. And when you need more control, app blocking puts you in charge. You can block specific apps for any profile, helping reduce distractions and manage how your network is used throughout the day. Simply select the apps you want to block and press Done. Whether you're setting boundaries, managing screen time, or keeping your network organized, eero Plus gives you the tools to do it all in one place. More control, more flexibility, a smarter way to manage your home network. Your Wi-Fi works smarter with eero. Explore more tips at truevista.net or call 800-768-1212 for support.